incredible viewers. Let's talk about rationalization of denominators. Rationalization is essential for simplifying fractions with irrational denominators. By transforming the denominator into a rational number, the fraction becomes easier to work with. To achieve this, we use a specific value that eliminates the radical in the denominator. This leads us to the concept of rationalizing factor, which plays a crucial role in this process. The number or expression by which the denominator is multiplied to convert it into a rational is called rationalizing factor. Now, some of the rationalizing factors I will tabulate it for you right here. Let's say, so the denominator form, then the rationalizing factor. So we have roots x will be roots x. Now if we have a plus roots b, it will be a minus roots b. If we have a minus roots b, it will be a plus roots b. Now if we have roots a plus roots b, this will be roots a minus roots b. If we have roots a minus roots b, this will be roots a plus roots b. Now if we have p roots a minus q roots b, this will be p roots a plus q roots b. If we have p roots a plus q roots b, it will be p roots a minus q roots b. Now, how do you rationalize the denominator? As different forms of irrational denominators need different methods to rationalize, thus the various methods to rationalize the denominator are rationalizing single term denominator, rationalizing two terms denominator, rationalizing three terms denominator. For more understanding of these various methods, see you in my next video. Bye.